had such an amazing release during yoga. Oh my gosh.
That's what it's for. Let go of what you don't need. So it starts from being just, okay, I want to be able to do this cool pose, to like, wow, I can do much more than what I thought I was capable of. And then that transcends from physical to emotional to mental to in your life, like doing things you didn't think you could do. It's very powerful.
That's why I loved your quote when I put that on Instagram.
Letting go on the mat allows you to let go in life.
Yeah.
It does.
So literally and figuratively, because you can feel your body
opening up.
And then you're like, I'm going to get out and implement this in the real world with things that come at me and be resilient and open and strong at the same time.
Yep.
It's so good.
That's what I love teaching, because I'm like, at first I thought yoga was just this thing that you do on the mat for an hour and then you forget about it. My teachers were like, no, it's about how can you take the lessons that people learn on the mat and help them to apply those things in life, because you have 23 other hours to live.
I have loved yoga for years, but discovered, thanks to the beautiful Ashanti, that yoga isn't just stretching and moving and breathing, it's so much more. I have literally learned life lessons, found mental clarity and strength on the mat for life off the mat. What's even better, it's for everyone and you can take it with you anywhere.
Now think, what do you need to drop? What do you need to let go of to achieve that goal on or off the mat? It's so easy to blame other people for our crap. But we have to look in. It starts with us.
Wow, these women are so beautiful, so resilient, so passionate with this calm but powerful confidence. I could listen to them talk all day.
Don't worry about getting a little wobbly. That's okay. That's a part of the practice. 1, embrace every part. Release. In the abdominals, core engagement. 2, connecting with that center of ourselves. 1, release.